Hello everyone. How to find the middle term in the expansion of a minus 1 by a whole to the power 12. Solution. Total number of terms in the given expansion is equal to 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. 13 is odd number. Therefore, it has only one middle term given by t 12 by 2 plus 1 is equal to t 6 plus 1 is equal to t 7. Here t 7 is equal to t 6 plus 1. Formula, according to formula, middle term will be NCR a to the power n minus r into b to the power r. Here r is 6, n is equal to 12, r is equal to 6, and a is equal to a, b is equal to minus 1 by a, b is equal to minus 1 by a is equal to a. Therefore, this is equal to NCR, that is n is 12 c 6, a to the power 12 minus 6, b is 1 by a to the power 6 is equal to 12c6 is factorial 12 divided by factorial 6 into factorial 12 minus 6 into a to the power 12 minus 6, 6, here is minus 1 by a is b is equal to minus 1 by a. This is minus 1 by a. Therefore, this will be a into minus 1 by 6 divided by a to the power 6. This is equal to factorial 12. 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into factorial 6 divided by factorial 6, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into factorial 12 minus 6, factorial 6. And this is equal to a to the power 6, a to the power 6 cancel. Minus 1 to the power 6 is 1. That is, it will be 1. Then this is equal to 6 to the 12, 5 to the 10, 3 the 9, 2 cancel, 4 2s are 8, 6 into 6 by factor 6 by factor 6 cancel. So it will be 11 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 1, and this is equal to 11 into 2 22, 22 into 3 66 into 2 into 7 14 into 1, that is this, and this is equal to 66 into 14, 4 6 are 24, carry 2, 24 are, and 2 26, 6 ones are 6, 6 1 are 6, 4 6 plus 6 12, carry 1, 2 and 3, 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9. This is 924, and this is the answer of this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment. Also subscribe my channel. Goodbye.